Good afternoon. It's 12:35 hours on Monday, 20th of April 2020, 35 minutes past 12 in the afternoon, and I'm about to have my fruit salad. It's a 4 fruit salad as usual. But unusually, it's actually a 3 fruit salad with a tuber. I have jicama in here. Jicama is not really a fruit, so this is a salad. It's a fruit and vegetable salad. Okay. And I have one Valencia orange in here as well. This is my last Valencia orange. I have about 20 red globe and black grapes mixed up, and honeydew melon. So the honeydew melon and jicama are both white or whitish, and you can't quite tell them apart. So I've just mixed it up so that you can try to see all the various ingredients. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to add my homemade chaat masala, which I've kept in this jar. I probably have to make another batch soon because it's on its, I'm finishing. And then I'll put a heaped tablespoon of hemp seeds, shelled hemp seeds, and then another heaped tablespoons of sunflower seeds, sunflower kernels. Okay, the nutritional information about all these things are in the links given in the video. Oh, as I was eating it, I just realized I forgot to mention that I put the juice of 2 key lime as well, as usual, on top. I must say the honeydew melon is very sweet and it goes very well with the key lime. I haven't quite tasted the jicama yet, but as soon as I've done so, I'll give you the verdict later. Right, verdict time. This is the first time I'm not able to finish my fruit salad, not because it's not nice, but because it's very filling. I didn't realize how filling jicama was. I probably put a little too much and cut them into 2 big cubes. So they took a while to chew, and they're very solid, high fiber, and they, took a while to eat, and also they're very filling. So it's nice. It tastes just like the fruit, so don't worry about it. It tastes like a pear or apple, but it's somehow very dense and very filling. So use smaller amounts and cut them into smaller pieces, maybe into thin slices rather than cubes, because chewing them was quite a chore, and after a while your your cheek muscles can ache. So that's my verdict. on first time having jicama in a fruit salad. Um, I'm going to try it again tomorrow, but lesser amount, and I'm going to cut into smaller pieces this next time.